Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to design a professional gift certificate using the Canva app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Canva app, then go to the print products section. And here there are a few different tabs: marketing, gifts, stationery, clothing. Now go to the gifts section, and if you scroll down you will find the gift certificate tab. And here Canva is going to generate for you an edit page which already has the size, ratio and quality that you need for a gift certificate. And from here you can add text, elements, you can upload your own photos to it. But you can also use some of these pre-made gift certificate templates that Canva has created. All of these templates are created by professional designers, so I would highly recommend using these as a gift certificate template. Now, to apply one of these templates, just tap on apply both. So it has both two sides, the front and the back, and you can also customize it for yourself. You can add your own brand name or your name or a message that you would like to add. You can move around the design elements. Also, it is very easy to customize and you can really make it your own and add elements. You can find these. There are different categories, as you can see. There are Chinese New Year, Valentine's Day, holiday gifts, Christmas, Father's Day, hair salon gifts. There are for different holidays and different businesses, so it's very easy to use. You can go to the search bar and search for a specific industry that you would like to target or anything. This is for photographers or anything. So as you can see, really the sky is the limit. You can create a photographer gift certificate, and yeah, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing because that would be really helpful for me, and see you in the next one.